Hey guys, what's up? I know you probably just like play the video like, oh my god, what is she doing? I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just whenever it's like Gomedosai, I always do that. So I kind of I figured if I held it long enough, it'd show up as a still pic, and then I'd be able to have that as my video like icon thing for like when you type in Inkster, like that. It'd be me doing that thing. And my dog just barked at that's my Trigon, as I've explained in my earlier videos. I'm gonna bring her in here, but for now, now you just go. No, I gotta go. Bye.